Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys been doing great. Okay, so today this video unboxing video is going to be a little bit different. It's not related to gaming, but it's more related to health. Okay, so just give you guys a little bit of background. I actually purchased this Philips 3000i air purifier. Okay, so as you guys check out my previous video on the PS5 accessories, the acrylic this holder. I mentioned that my room is very dusty, but I think since then till now, I think it gets worse. I've been experiencing a lot of sneezing attacks, and the dust situation is not improving. So that's why I actually wanted to get a air purifier. Just hopefully that it's supposed to help me to reduce the number of dust. Okay, and of course I always on my aircon every night. So I hope that in an enclosed environment, this can help me purify the air as well. So I can reduce my sneezing attacks, which I experience quite often recently. So so I actually did quite an intensive research on different air purifiers. I searched for brands like Philips, Sharp, and probably I think it's Xiaomi. Okay, so the reason why I'm sharing with you guys, the reason why I did not actually purchase the Xiaomi or the Sharp is because the Xiaomi the reason is because there's too much filter types, okay, that I need to choose from. Okay, they have one that is like the grey HEPA filter that is for like if I'm not wrong, for the smoke smell, and then the germs is another filter, and then if you want to have reduced smell is another thing. I can't remember, but there's actually 3 different type of filters for every purpose. But I find that it's a bit overwhelming. For my use case, I actually need all of them, to be honest. And then for Sharp wise, I think they had this feature called ionize the air or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Based on some of my research, it says that some of the scientists actually mentioned that it's not too good to have more to have a lot of ionized air. Okay, in a room. Okay, so ultimately, I chose this. This is one of the I would say the higher budget, quite a bit of quite exceed my budget initially. So this cost like $580. I got it from Cots Singapore. Okay, awesome deal from Cots. Alright, I got it at $100 off, so it's like $580. So it just came in now. I'm very excited to share this new purchase with you guys. And also, of course, for all you guys who have have dusty rooms, and you have probably a bit of breathing difficulties, or something like this sneeze attack like me. I keep sneezing continuously because of dust. Probably you can consider getting air purifier, but don't take my advice for it. I think it's still best to check with your doctor. Okay. So I'm very excited to open this box. Unfortunately, there's no sticker here, so I'm not sure is this new. But I hope it's not. I hope it is. Okay, and actually, the full name of this air purifier is 3000i. Okay, but I think there's another sub name for it called AC3033. So you can look up online. And by the way, this one, right? Actually, this one is supposed to be for living room lah, but I just use it for my room. Okay, so especially also for you guys who have relative or your parents or whoever is smoking at home, I think you can also consider air purifier. I haven't tested out yet, but I'll do an in-depth review, okay, of this Philips air purifier. So things I'm going to address in my next video. Anyway, do subscribe to my channel if you have not. So the first thing I'm going to test is the will it cure my sneezing, constantly sneezing issue. Will it reduce the dust? Okay, and also will it reduce the smoke smell, the cigarette smell? Okay, which is very very annoying. But I can't do anything about it. It's my dad. I can't probably say him, right. So I hope this will help me as well. Okay, so without further ado, guys, I'm going to share with you guys the content inside the box. Right? Okay, guys. So this is the box itself. Okay. This top portion, maybe I can show you a bit. What is it like? In here has all the features. You can actually pause the video and have a look. Okay. This is the other side of the box. Okay. Yes. Other features as well. Actually, you can also check out their website as well. Okay, so this is the front part. Okay, as I shared with you just now, there's no stickers, so I'm not sure if this is new or they get it from their display set at cost, but let's find out, guys. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, right after you open up the box, right, they'll show you this instruction on how to install the filter. Okay, but you can actually go to their website and have a look as well. Okay. Okay, so right out of the box, you have your instruction manual. Okay, always check instruction manuals. Okay, although sometimes it's idiot proof, but I mean for me I do refer to it. Okay. Alright, so this is the first level. Sorry, it's very noisy. Let's push it aside. New smell. So I think it should be new. Okay, so I'm gonna take out this first. Okay, pardon me. Okay. So this is the air purifier itself. Okay. This is the plug, the UK plug. After that, there's nothing inside already. So you see, alright. Okay, so let me try and remove it. Let me just get my unboxing knife. I need to be very, very careful. I'm not damaging it. Okay, and one thing is, I know this is a bit unnecessary, but you can actually control this thing with an app. Okay, so yeah. So that's one of the things that I also chose. Not necessary. It's a feature that you actually don't need. You can just go and press it. Right. So I think it's new lah. Right, because from other YouTubers unboxing video, they also wrap here. Okay, so let me just this is it. Let me just bring it down a bit so that you guys can see. Okay, right. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. Okay. Quite smooth unboxing process. Let me just stand it. Okay, up. So let me show this away. What is this? Okay, this is some guides. Some cards. Okay, this is it. Nothing much. I'll show you stuff. Okay, so I was sharing with you guys, right? Maybe I'll just put it here. So I was sharing with you guys, right? I saw some of the comments, right, that people are not very happy with this design because it's fabric. It attracts dust. But this one I have yet to find out. But let me show you guys. Maybe I'll do a 1 week test, then I'll share with you guys what do I feel. Okay, so the next step I'm going to take out is this. Okay, this is supposed to be the filter itself. So let me just take it out. Okay, so this is the cover. Okay. Maybe I should bring down the camera. Okay, so I just bring down the camera, easier for me to show you guys. So this is the filter itself, guys. Okay, so let me just take it out. Okay, so let me just take out this. I think I might make my unboxing now. Yes, I need. So this is the filter itself. There's 3 layers inside, alright. So there's like active carbon, and then there's another like dust filter and all that. So probably I can share with you guys this. Okay, so this is it. Let me show you. Okay, so this is it. This is the filter itself, guys. Okay, so it's quite easy to tell which area to go in. So they have this logo that you can actually just push it inside. Okay, so that's the active carbon. So this is supposed to remove the smell. Okay, and then the other one is to remove the particles and all that. Okay, so there's 3 layers. This first layer I'm not sure. I think this is the one that removes the particle first. Then this one is the one that removes the smell. Okay, so yeah, just I just showed you just now. Okay, so this is the way in. So you just slot it in. I guess they tell you not to use water. Okay, and spray, I believe. Okay, and I'm not sure what is this S3. Okay, so I'm going to put inside this. Okay, I think it's this. Let me see if it's correct. Okay guys, so just now I had a little bit of issue. Okay, as you can see, this area when I tried to push in, it got blocked, but don't worry guys, I think you just need to force in a bit. Okay, slowly and carefully. I think then after it will go in. Okay, so you just push this in. Okay, that's it. Okay, and let me see if this is the one. Okay, I think this is the one. Okay, so this is the cover, I believe. Let me see if I'm putting it correctly. Yeah, I think this is the correct one. Okay guys, so for some of you, right, okay, if you just happen to buy this air purifier, okay, so one mistake I made just now, right, is I just put it on like that. I assume that, you know, this is supposed to go in, so it doesn't go in. So guys, you need to make sure that this hole, okay, matches the wire below this area. Okay, so it's done. Okay. Okay, so this thing does not sit on the latch above. So I'll show you again. Okay, so this thing doesn't you know sit on here. Okay, so you need to match with your wire. Okay, so yeah, this is my mistake just now. So I was like, hey, how come it doesn't go in? Okay, right. So I think everything is in order. So let me try to power this on, right? Okay guys, so I have actually tried to switch on the air purifier itself. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so this is the air purifier. Okay, sorry. Okay, so just give you guys a little bit of background. Okay, so this is to show you how much the air purifier filter left. Okay, this is the power button. Okay, this is the mode. Okay, this is the lighting. Okay, you can switch off, you can switch on. So there's a different kind of like ways that you can actually, you know, depending on which one you want to choose. Okay, you can choose PM25, IAI, or guess, you know, the measurements. Okay, I'm not too sure about this. Let me see. Oh, this is how you choose. Okay, so you can choose. Of course, I need to connect it to the app itself. Okay, so this one probably later on I will do it. Okay, so this is the auto mode now. Okay, we have different filter. So this is the manual, I believe. This is the night mode. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a try. So night mode, you see, is very good. It's gonna turn off all the lights, but it's still running. I can still feel it. Okay, so this is the mode. Okay, so what I suggest, right, after doing some research, right, is you see it's pretty loud. So I think there's 2 modes for you to choose from. So you can just choose the mode that you are more comfortable with. They mentioned that try not to use auto. Basically try to use manual at the comfortable fan noise that you are okay with. Because with auto mode, you'll need some time to detect. Although one of the feature is sensor, okay, but I think that, you know, I also agree with the reviewer, the YouTube, that I'm going to link his video so you guys can have a look. I think it's very useful. So what he said, that if you go on auto mode, right, okay, it's going to be take a while for the, you know, for the air purifier to register the change in air quality. But then if you go on manual mode, okay, it's constantly doing it, so you don't have to worry about you know, well, the air changes, but it takes a while to so-called detect the air changes and then start doing its stuff. So I mean, I leave it up to you guys. I'll link his channel in my comment section below so that you guys can have a look. Okay, so I'm gonna test out, link it to my app. Okay, and then hopefully I can control it with my app on my Samsung phone, because one of the users actually reviewed that it doesn't work on Samsung phone. So let me try. A week later, I'm going to do another video to share with you guys my thoughts on this, like a more in-depth review. Okay, whether does it help me or not. Okay, all right. So this is my video for today. For the Philips air purifier, the Philips 3000i or AC3033 air purifier. So I'll link the description to their website so you can check them out. Okay, and then yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel so that you guys can be notified, or click the bell button so that you guys can be notified of the so-called the new videos that I have. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. See you guys in the next video and stay safe. Bye.